Hi friends, today I'm going to prepare a tapioca pudding. This is similar to the sabudana kheer that we make in India, but with a little difference. In this, we'll add 2 eggs, vanilla essence. Okay, so in India, we will add cardamom instead of vanilla essence. So it's very easy process. So let's see how to prepare it. And this sabudana, it has been soaked overnight. Sometimes there will be instruction on the cover of the tapioca pearls about how much time it has to be soaked. But on this one there was no instruction and it was the bigger ones, so I soaked it overnight to make sure that it will cook very well. And in some places you will get instant tapioca pearls also, which you don't have to soak, you can directly cook. Now let's see how to prepare the tapioca pudding. So now I'm going to add the soaked uh, tapioca pearls with the water into the vessel that I'm going to cook. Then I'm going to add lots of milk. This 1 cup I think won't be enough, so I'll add more milk because the tapioca pearls has to cook nicely. So I'll add half a cup more of milk and I'll keep it on low flame and let it cook slowly. So I don't know how much time it will take. It will take around 20 to 25 minutes for the tapioca pearls to cook properly. So I'll keep it on a low flame and wait. Add a little salt also and keep stirring in between because this tapiocas are sticky, so they can stick to the bottom. So you have to ensure that the tapioca pearls don't stick to the bottom, so keep stirring in between. I have used a steel spoon, but you can use it's better if you use a wooden spoon. Now I am going to add 2 egg yolks to the tapioca mix. So for that I have to take only the egg yolk. I don't need the white. So I'll show you how to remove the white. For that I have taken 2 eggs directly from the fridge. It's very cold, so you know that's easier to remove the egg yolk from the from the white. So I have just removed the upper part. Then pour the white. The red will remain inside. So it's since it's cold, it's still round and it won't break. Okay, so now it's completely white has been completely removed. So I'll take the next egg. From that also I'll remove the egg white. So I'm separating the egg white from the egg yolk. What we need are the 2 egg yolks. So egg white is good for to be used as face masks or as a conditioner. So if you today when you go and take bath, you can use this as a face mask and also apply it after shampooing. The tapioca pearls were so good that they cooked within 20 minutes. So now I am taking the egg yolk and I'll whip them thoroughly. Now, now take some cooked tapioca, the hot one, and add it to this, because if we add the egg directly to the hot tapioca mix, it will scramble, the egg will get scrambled. So for that, to even the heat, we are adding some cooked tapioca seeds to the egg. Now the temperature of both the egg mix and the tapioca mix are same. So now we will pour this into the tapioca mix. Add the egg mix to the tapioca mix and then mix it gently and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Now we have to add the sugar also. Now finally we'll add some vanilla essence and remove it from flame. Friends, I prepared this recipe after being inspired by Laura Vitale's recipe of tapioca pudding on her YouTube channel Laura in the Kitchen. And you know, this recipe is really yummy, maybe because of the eggs and the vanilla in it, and it doesn't harden also even if you keep it outside for a few hours. So you must definitely try this recipe at home. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel